Glady Studio.
Yo, Glady Bonds. This is Wilber, a true youth of them my originality. Blessed no fire, Wilber. Yeah. If you could tell me now, if you could tell me now, if you could tell me now, tell me my people. I just wanna know why a brother is killing a brother. I just wanna know why a sister is killing a sister. I just wanna know why a mother is killing her own child. I just wanna know why is there so much hate. Tell me now, the world is full of hate, so many separation. The world is full of hate, so many troubles. The world is full of hate, people are hating one another. There's no love like yesterday. Can you tell me now? Whoa, tell me now. Whoa, tell me now. There is so much hate, so much trouble, so much separation, so much destroying. Tell me now, unaona mukoma hajura ya muningina wake, unaona baba munini wajura ya mukoma wabo. Why chiko nzero seiko tichivengana, seiko tisingawirirane, seiko tisingadanane, seiko tisinganzwisisane. Tell me now, why? Tell me now, why? The world is full of hate, so many separation. The world is full of trouble, so many hatred. You tell me now, what do we have to do? Tell me now, you tell me now. Why do we have to suffer? Tell me now, why do we have to cry? You tell me now, Chico, chaita tisanzwana ne. Chico, chaita tisadana ne. Chico, chaita tisawirirane. Chico, chaita tisanzwisisane. Tell me, Glady Bonds.